Hello friends, welcome back to my channel with a new video. So yesterday we saw how to use Excel advanced packages and few of the Excel advanced packages. And so in the today's video we can see a few more Excel advanced packages like number of rows. So how to take that number of rows from that Excel and then get single cell values from the Excel and then get cell address and get column name and get cell color. So how to use these options in Excel advanced package. Okay, so in automation anywhere, how we can use this one we can see. So let me open automation anywhere. So yesterday we have created one task, right, that Excel advanced part one. So in this only we'll continue this. Okay, so I just included a few of the comments here. Okay, so we need to perform these actions, right, get number of rows, get single cell. So that's why I added just comment. Okay, so first we'll see how to use this get number of rows. Okay, for that we'll use this open command. Okay, okay, just use this open Excel open command. So I am just opening employee details form text file. So let me go back to that path here, documentation, automation, anywhere, my docs, RPA, text file. So here I have the file, employee details form text from text file. So we are having a few of the details, employee details here. So how many rows are there total? 5 rows are there. So that count it has to give now. So I'll close this. Go back to automation anywhere. What we are performing is get number of rows. So how many rows are there in that Excel? 5. So it has to display 5. So now type Excel. So here we need to use get number of rows. So here we need to give non-empty rows. So it should not empty. So we need to select this and default I'm giving, and we need to create one variable, right? Sample number will select. So that is a number, sample number I'm selecting, and take one message box. Okay, and here we need to display that variable sample number, but sample number it is not displaying. Okay, so because that is a number, so we need to convert that first. Just type string. So here number you can find, right? So you need to take this toString. In the toString you can see that, press F2, then you can see that variable sample number. Okay, and I'm converting that number to the string, sample string. Okay, sample number to sample string. Okay, so now in the message box what will give? Total row counts I'll specify, and then we need to select the sample string. Okay, we have converted that variable. So now we'll run the bot. Okay, it has to open the Excel file and it has to give the count of number of rows are available in this that Excel. So it has to give the count. Okay, it has opened the Excel file. See here, total row counts are 5. Okay, so it is giving correct. So it is giving right row count. So here there are 5 row counts. So that's why it is giving total row counts are 5. So now we'll see get single cell. Okay, so we need to open the, to get the single cell we need to open the Excel file, right? So we'll open the Excel file, but I will disable these lines. So after opening that Excel file I need to get single cell. So how to perform that? So type Excel in the action and then get single cell. So here single cell it is asking, right? The specified cell also you can specify, or active cell means, so when you open that Excel file, wherever the cursor will be there, so that active cell it will take. But I'll specify here, specify cell. Okay, what I'll give? I'll give B1. Okay, and then we need to assign that to sample string. and then take this message box. Okay, in the message box we need to display, right? So that's why just giving this, remove this. So sample string, what it has to display, we'll see. It is opening the Excel and get single cell of B1. So what it will give, we'll see. Okay, last name, because that B1 cell value is last name. That's why it is giving last name. That is how we need to take the value value using this get single cell. Okay, and next we'll see get cell address. How to get that cell address, we'll see. So we'll disable this line. Okay, and message box it is required, so we'll use here, and get cell address, we'll take that get cell address, and same again here. So specify cell, enter the column title, and then enter the cell position from the column title. Okay, enter the column title is I'll give last name again, and enter the cell position from the column. So I'll give 1 and assigning to sample string. Now run this. So now it will give cell address. Okay, so here cell address is B2 it is giving, because I am giving the last name as a column name, and then entering the cell position is 1, so it is pointing to this one, Jain, that last name. So B2 it is giving, right? See, manually we'll check it. So manually we'll check that. See, if I put that cursor inside this B2 it is giving, right, 1. So this is the column name. That value is 1 I am giving. Enter the cell position from the column title. 1 is, it is. So that's why it is giving B2. So if I give this uh, 1, 2, 3. If I give this cell position 3, so it will give this B4. We'll try that. I'll change this to 3. Now I'll rerun it. So now it has to give B4. That is how we need to take the cell address from the Excel sheet. See, it is giving B4, right? Okay, so we need to use like this. Now I'll disable this. Okay, get column name. So I'll use this message box, and we'll take this command get column name. And so here we need to give specify cell or active cell. So from the active cell means now it is in. So we'll try this also, active cell. Okay, so active cell it is in A1 column. Okay, we'll put this active cell inside this, I mean D1 cell, and save this file and close it. Okay, now we'll use this sample string variable. So now we'll run the bot. So now is cursor in the D1 cell. Now it has to give the column name, get column name of that. The column name is age, right? So it has to display that. Yeah. So column name it is D, right? So it is displaying the D. Okay. So cursor is pointing to this age. So the column it is D. A column, B column, C column, and D column. So that's why it is given D. So that's why you need to use this get column name. Okay. Now we'll see get cell color. So we'll change this cell color. Okay. This A cell color will keep it as red. save this, and how it will treat we'll see. Okay, so we'll disable this line, and again we'll use this message box, and then get cell color command will use it. Get cell color, right? Okay, text color you can take it, and background color you can take it. I will take this text color because we have changed the text color of red. We can use that active cell, and we can give the specify cell as well, but I will use this active cell now. So sample string, run this one. So now it has to display the color of that text. See, it is giving RGB color, right? RGB. So red color it is giving it RGB. Okay, that's how it will give that. So now what we'll do? So